We think about Jamie's closet.
I mean, it's worse than we thought. No, don't say that.
Who are you strange ladies in my closet?
I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Jessie.
And we're from the Team LA, and we're here to clean your closet and give you all new looks.
And help you feel really good when you're walking out the door in the morning.
Your hanger stitch is deep.
You're dying.
Yeah, like this is it's bad.
For me, right off the bat, hangers are a big thing because I think once you have good hangers, it makes everything just look organized and feel good.
Yeah, I mean, and the reality is nothing's organized in here right now, so it is probably really hard to get dressed because there's like sweatshirts and jackets and skirts mixed together. When you're going to reach for something, you don't even really know where anything is. So we're big on organizing by category.
This should never happen because how do you even know? You're getting dressed at night, your kids are running all over you.
Yeah, because I have everything in boxes, so I don't even know what I have.
Even if you had clear boxes,
Okay.
so you could see what was going
Or
on,
or you don't need anything.
Yeah.
I always recommend starting with a clean out because people don't know what they have.
I would have never put this together, ever.
A lot of our clients find that when we come in and edit their closet, they have things that they didn't even know how to wear or how to put together. That in the end, even paying our fee, they really feel like they're saving money because they realize, like you, that there's not that much you need. Like that could be so cute, even like layered under this. And then like if you're gonna do something cutesy like this, like a little Givenchy clutch or like play it up, don't
obsessed.
You know, even this shoe where it all matches, but it's still
Are we getting this?
edgy. Too much or we like?
I love it. You guys, I'm Kris Jenner. What is happening? You just light my closet on fire because I don't even know who I am anymore. I got this at the Antique Boutique in New York. It's from the 60s. Like I bought this when I was in college.
But like look at how dated it is,
Yeah.
style-wise. If it naturally falls just right there,
Now this looks like it was
so
from
you
like
do straight across.
anthropology.
Now this looks like
my
it's
God.
like flowy.
Yes, you're
Yeah.
right.
No, yeah.
And even just like popped on these with it.
Oh my God.
I want to see what your jean look is.
So my jean look is tight.
Skinny?
Skinny and tight.
So we like that a lot of people don't wear their jeans tight enough.
Okay.
So we're very happy to see
That
this.
I'm wearing.
Yeah, they're
how they
perfect.
should be.
They fit you perfect.
They
Or
fit you
people
perfect.
wear them usually a little too big.
Yeah.
but like
And
a
it's like a
sag.
skinny jean needs to be a skinny jean.
Yes, they're way too long.
And we have a tailor. But it's good to vary it. Those have holes already, so
Yeah.
like let's rip them at the
Okay.
bottom.
Okay.
So this is such a cute top, but it's a little mommy, the length that we think if you crop it, it could turn into like an edgy chic blouse. When we crop it enough so it's not like a belly shirt, but you can still see it's a high waist, and do like a little front tuck and it'll like blouse out a little, but not like billow out.
Got it.
It elongates your legs, it gives that more modern feel.
Wow.
You look what? Legs look good.
And look at this side. Down.
Just cleans it up, makes it like a little more feminine.
Yeah.
If you're wearing a watch or a bracelet, you see it even if you're wearing that with a dress.
Wow. Such a difference. I don't think this dress is doing it. What do you think? There's something off.
We need to pull the waist up. I think we need to like go there. What do you think? Okay, so look at the difference in your body there versus here.
Oh my God, so much better.
Do you see?
Yes.
Long story short, everybody just take a scissor to
And
your
cut
whole
everything.
wardrobe.
I've never been so excited for all my old clothes. I need to go shopping and buy pants.
A big mistake a lot of our clients make is they buy something that they love and they don't know how they're gonna wear it. So if you're shopping and you think, oh my gosh, this is such a great jacket, but you really don't know how you're wearing it, it's gonna sit there and you're never gonna wear it.
Yes.
You're always gonna be searching for the perfect top, the perfect pants, the perfect this. So it's better to buy accessories that are unique, like a handbag or shoes, because those can always pop an outfit.
I hold on to stuff, you guys. I need someone to say, this is not cool. You don't look cool in it.
And we're done with this.
Yeah, that was never even a thing. Yeah.
So much stuff. Say bye-bye to.
You guys are geniuses.
And it's not even like close to done yet,
No.
right?
Not close to that.
And I haven't eaten all day. My breath's gone.
Well, yay. Thank you.